type of receptacles that you can put in: a standard receptacle or a ground fault circuit interrupt, GFCI, the type with the test buttons on it. It depends on the application. If it's near water, like bathrooms or kitchens, it's got to be a GFCI. If it's in just a hallway, it can be a regular outlet or a bedroom. If it's outside or a garage or a basement, it should also be a GFCI, unless it's going to be for a refrigerator or freezer. Then it can be a regular dedicated receptacle just for that one appliance. Okay, here's the standard receptacle. You can tell with the slots, the narrow slots for the hot, the wide slots for the neutral, and the ground, just the round. The ground fault circuit interrupt has the test buttons on it, which you should test monthly after you install it. How the GFCIs work: there's a test button, the black, that you push and trips off, and then there's the red one which you push to reset it. And this should be done every month on every GFCI in your house to make sure that they're going to work, and it exercises them so they don't seize up.